5 makeup products you will always regret buying. Stop wasting money on these 5 makeup products. Imagine this. You buy a trendy new foundation everyone's raving about. You try it once, and it's a disaster. Now it's sitting in your drawer, collecting dust. Sound familiar? Today, I'm spilling the tea on the 5 makeup products you'll always regret buying and how to avoid these costly mistakes. Trust me, your wallet and your vanity will thank you. Number 1, products for your fantasy self. We've all been there. Seeing a stunning red lip or a bold, colorful eyeshadow look on someone else and thinking, that could be me. But let's be real. If you're a neutral eyeshadow and nude lip kind of person, that glittery highlighter or electric blue eyeliner will likely sit untouched in your drawer. I once bought a rainbow eyeshadow palette because I saw a YouTuber creating a stunning sunset look. Guess what? I used it once for a Halloween costume. The rest of the time it collected dust. I realized I was buying for a version of myself that didn't align with my daily life or style. So here are some tips. Audit your collection. Before buying, ask yourself, do I already own something similar? Test before you invest. Try bold looks with affordable drugstore products first. If you love it, then splurge. And stick to your style. If you're a minimalist, focus on versatile products like a neutral palette or a tinted lip balm. But it's not just about fantasy. Sometimes we buy products that don't even work for our skin tone. Let's talk about that next. Number 2, products that don't suit your skin tone or type. Cool-toned pink blushes that turn orange on warm skin. Foundations that oxidize to yellow or hydrating primers that only make oily skin look greasy. These are all common regrets. I remember buying a popular cool-toned pink blush because everyone raved about it. On me, it looked straight up peach. I kept buying similar shades, hoping one would work, but they all ended up in my never-used drawer. Eventually, I learned that purple blush gives me the cool tone look I wanted. The lessons I learned? Know your undertone. Are you warm, cool, or neutral? Test by looking at the veins on your wrist. Are they blue? That is cool. Are they green? That's warm. Are they both? Well then, you're neutral. Swatch before buying. Test products on your jawline for foundation or the back of your hand for blush and lipstick. See how they look on your skin. Ask for samples. Many stores offer foundation samples. Take advantage to test before committing. But sometimes, even if a product looks right, it might not feel right, and that's where skin types come in. Number 3, products that don't work for your skin type. This is what happens when you just buy makeup without considering your skin's needs. Instant regret. If you have dry skin, a matte foundation will cling to every flake. And if you've got oily skin, a dewy primer will leave you looking like a grease ball. I fell for the hype around a hydrating skin tint. Everyone said it was a game changer. But on my dry skin, it emphasized every wrinkle and made me look older. Turns out it had denatured alcohol high on the ingredient list. A big no for my skin type. Now I always check ingredients before buying. Here are some tips. Read the ingredient list. Avoid alcohol, fragrance, or harsh chemicals if you have sensitive or dry skin. Match formulas to your skin. For dry skin, look for hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin. And if you have an oily skin, opt for oil-free mattifying formulas. And before applying any product to your whole face, apply a small amount to your jawline and wait 24 hours to check for reactions. Speaking of hype, let's talk about the biggest regret of all, impulse buys. Number 4, falling for the hype. I really can't emphasize this enough, but please stop buying trendy products without researching. Limited edition launches, viral TikTok products, and influencer recommendation can make us feel like we need something, even if it's not right for us. I once bought a hyped up mascara because an influencer said, "Run, don't walk." It smudged within an hour. I realized I got swept up in the excitement without considering if it suited my needs. Now I wait a few weeks before buying anything trendy. If I still want it, I'll get it, but most of the time the hype dies down and so does my interest. So if you're like me, here's what I'll suggest. Wait it out. Give yourself a 2-week cooling off period before buying. If you still want it, go for it. Read reviews. Look for honest reviews from people with similar skin types or preferences. Avoid FOMO. Remember, there will always be new launches. Don't feel pressured to buy immediately. But even if a product is perfect, it might not fit your lifestyle. So let's dive into that. Number 5, products that don't fit your lifestyle. If you're a busy mom or always on the go, a 10-step makeup routine or waterproof mascara that takes forever to remove might not be practical. I bought a waterproof mascara because everyone said it wouldn't smudge. It didn't, but removing it was a nightmare. After a long day, the last thing I wanted was to scrub my lashes for 10 minutes. Now I stick to easy-to-remove formulas that fit my low-maintenance lifestyle. And here are some tips. Simplify your routine. Stick to a multitasking product like tinted moisturizers or cream blushes. Choose easy formulas. Opt for missile or water-friendly makeup that wipes off quickly. Invest in staples. Focus on products you use daily, like a good concealer or mascara, and skip the rest. Now that you know what not to buy, let's talk about how to avoid the common skincare mistakes women make after 40. Click the link to watch the video popping on your screen right now. I'll tell you 10 skincare mistakes so overlooked, you'll wonder why no one told you sooner. But hurry, this video won't stay up forever. Your flawless, regret-free makeup routine is just one click away.